What if the given measurement is like this? So the given lines, we have line A and line B are parallel to each other. And the given transversal is line C. So the measure of angle C is 2x plus 24. While the measure of angle 7 is 3x plus 12. So we're going to find the measure of angle 6, 7, 4, and 3. But before that, let us find first the value of x. Now, how to find the value of x? Step number 1, let us analyze the given. Okay, ano po yung given na measurement na binigay anak? Kanino pong angle? Kay angle 6 at kay angle 7. This is angle 6 and this is angle 7. First question, what is the relationship of angle 6 and angle 7? Di ba, Mario? Vertical angle. And what can you say about the measurement of vertical angles? They are? Okay, meaning, the measure of angle 6 is equal or congruent to the measure of angle 7. That is the first method. Identify the relationship. So since they are congruent, automatic, the measure of angle 6 plus the measure of angle 7 is equal. So step number 2, substitute the measurement. What is the measure of angle 6? 2x plus 24. And what is the measure of angle 7? Okay, meron na tayo anak second. Step 2, form an equation. So this is the equation. So we have 2x plus 24 is equal to 3x plus 12. Step number 3, simplify. How to simplify? By combining the like terms. So what are the like terms? 2x and 3x. So anong mas mababa ang value? 2 or 3? So meaning, ililipat ko po si 2 papunta kay, ano po magiging sign? Oh, this will become negative. Then 24, okay, bring down. Then si 12 magiging negative na po. So this is the equation now. Then after that, solve na natin. 24 minus 12 is equal to 3x minus 2x. 1x or simply x. So ito na yung value ng x natin. The value of x is 12. Okay, after getting the value of x, proceed na tayo dito anak. Find the exact measure of angle 6. Or how to find the exact measure of angle 6? Just substitute the value of x, which is 12. Saan po isa-substitute? Dito po kay angle 6, kay 2x plus 24. So this will become, the measure of angle 6 is equal to 2 times, ano po sa x? 12. Plus 24. O, 2 times 12? 24. 24 plus 24. Okay, since ang pinag-uusapan po natin ay measurement ng angle, don't forget to write degree. So meaning, this is the measure of angle 6. O, check natin, ano sabi natin kanina? Si angle 6 at si angle 7 ay ano? Equal. Kapag sinubstitute po natin anak yung value ni x dito, kailangan 48 din ang makuha natin. O, check natin. The measure of angle 7 is equal to 3 times, what is x? 12. Plus 12. 3 times 12. 36. Plus 12. 48 degree. They are equal? Therefore, the value of x is correct. Okay, next. Let us answer number 3. So, what is the measure of angle 4? Again, the measure of angle 6 is 48 degree. The measure of angle 7 is 48 degree. First question. May relationship po ba anak si 4 at 7? Yes. What is the relationship? Same side. And what can you say about the measure of same side interior? They are supplementary, meaning the measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 7 is equal to 180 degree. Ano po si angle 7? 48 degree. O meron na po akong 48 degree. Paano ko po anak kukunin si angle 4? Ima-minus ko si 48 kay 180 degree. And what do you think is the measure of angle 4? Ano pong sagot? Okay, the measure of angle 4 is equal to 132 degree. Paano anak nakuha si 132? 180 minus, and the answer is 132 degree. O next, after getting the value of, or the measure of angle 4, find the measure of angle 3 naman. First question, what is the relationship of angle 3 and angle 7? Corresponding, and what can you say about the measurement? Meaning, if the measure of angle 7 is 48 degree, we can say that angle 3 is also 48 degree. Question? So, do you understand?